Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Here is Rima Healthy, where your home of healthy recipes. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for being a support to this channel. I really appreciate the support, the love, the sharing of my videos, commenting and liking. I really appreciate everything. So if today is your first time coming across this channel, you're warmly welcome. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, turn on bell notification, and you are going to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So you are once again welcome. So guys, in today's video I am going to do a product update, okay? And from the beginning of this video, every juice that you are seeing over here is made with this juicer. This is actually a slow juicer, and I really love slow juicers, okay, because I get to achieve all the nutrients that I need in my juices, and I don't lose too much of my fruit to pulp. Okay, if you have been following me for some time, and you would know that this particular juicer over here has shot a lot of videos on this channel. Okay, and I decided to bring you this update because suddenly my juicer stopped working, and for whatever reason I don't know. So I tried to find a solution to it since my warranty time is over and I don't stand the chance again. So the next I'll do is just to throw this away, unfortunately, or I'll just have to try to manage this. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I don't know if I should recommend this product, but I think I should, because it has been a good one, though it's not working at this time, but it really served a good purpose. It really did. It doesn't give too much pulp. It doesn't waste my vegetables and my fruits, and it's really and truly that's what it's meant for. Okay, but for a month now I haven't juice. I don't know. I was doing teas instead, and I'm a tea lover, so yeah. So I stopped using this for about a month, and just exactly 2 years of acquiring this product, it stopped working. Then I tried to find or get a solution for this since the company is not ready to replace it. So what I did was to find one or two solutions, and I found out that I could just kick the motor with a magnet. So luckily I have a lot of magnets at home, so I chose to use this too. Then I on it, and like you can see in the video, as I tried finding the motor, luckily I got it. So then I used sellotape to get a stick over there, because I cannot be juicing and holding magnets. It doesn't really sound so good. So when I was doing that product review for the new juicer from Philips, I decided to juice out the palm, okay? And that was the same time that I was shooting this video as well. And so this is the palm, okay? This is the palm, actually. I use this to juice carrots, and in fact the outcome wasn't fulfilling, if you ask me. So I decided to use my old blender from Bosch, and it did justice as usual. So you can see how the pulp is coming out so dry, and I really appreciate this Bosch juicer so much. And at this point I'm just confused if I'm to replace my Bosch Slow juicer. Which brand am I going for? Should I go for a low cost, or I should still look out for a one from a good company like Bosch, Philips, and those stuff, Ken Woods, and all that, Nama, and all those people? I am considering what to do, because this juicer really helped. Okay, I can't say anything bad at this point. The only thing that has happened that is not convincing is that the juicer is no more working, and it's so disappointing. All right, guys. So this is how far. This is the updates that I have for you on this particular juicer. So if you're trying to get it, I don't know what to recommend or to say, but it's really served the purpose. Okay, it's perfect. It doesn't waste your juice. But how it got to this point, if you ask me, I have no idea. So guys, thank you so very much. So like you can see, have you seen? Yeah, the carrots juice that I'm having from the pub, and it's really appreciated. Okay, so thumbs up, Bosch. So thank you guys. Until I come your way again next time, it's bye.